The newest mountain resort located at Sitio Tagaytay, Barangay Kabatangan, Talisay City will soon be opening. It was a privilege for TLS to visit and enjoy the panoramic view of this mountain resort owned by the family of Engineer Rob Bermeo. Engineer Rob purchased this 1-hectare property in 2015 and started planting frog grass since then. A distinct feature of the mountain resort is the 50 meters hanging bridge made of steel rope. This hanging bridge is the centerpiece attraction of the resort, which led us to an amazing tree house of the Bermeos. Rob, an electrical engineer, is married to Christine, and they have 2 lovely daughters, a 22-year-old and a 17-year-old.
We acquired this property back in 2010 with my brother. Then in 2016, we started developing it by first planting frog grass. Then later on, we saw that 3 mahogany trees there, and my husband is fond of building tree houses. We decided to build a tree house in 2017. One project after the other in Ubra, then my husband put the hanging bridge there, which is, I think, is the thing that makes this place unique because of the hanging bridge. It's a 50-meter bridge.
Create kami first ang tree house, then sa nagapakadto pa kami kabudlay magtago kami slope ni among lugar. Nag-decide kong obra treehouse kaya kung may makadto dito maran magbalik kay kakapoy malaog sa dalong. Ang hanging bridge naman is almost mga 56 meters, including the foundation niya. Kung nakita niyo ang treehouse sa kataas kay tungod may purpose na tungod sa lugar naman yung kadamang kahoy. Inadat sa magsaka ka sa babaw, may viewing ka sa Bacolod, then Talisay and Silay. Appreciate nila ang view sa babaw.
And nag-develop sa husband ko ang ining area para maka-open na gid kami sa public. Hopefully mga May amos na.
Ma-share mo naman ang lugar.
The Bermeos built their vacation house where they spent special occasions like the debut of their daughter in 2017, as well as pocket family gatherings like fellowships and prayer group studies, especially this time of the pandemic. Rob and Christine described their place as a perfect sanctuary for everyone to listen to themselves, reflect, and meditate.